Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this NCH Business Information LLC usage review, we are going to dive into this platform to see the full usage experience about this platform. So to get started, NCH is a full service business information company that also dive into asset protection, estate planning and tax strategies. Setting up the LLC through them was straightforward, but the experience felt very sales driving. After the initial purchase, I received several calls and email offering additional service like a bookkeeping, trust, and other financial service. While the upselling was a bit much, the customer service teams was very responsive, professional, and knowledgeable. If you are looking for a comprehensive service beyond just forming an LLC and don't mind a heavier sales approach, NLC can be a strong option for you. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this NCH Business Information LLC platform. Thanks.